Guys, Sam here. Just wanted to show you my new computer case. I made it myself out of an old briefcase. It has my computer in there. Still need to figure out the button situation, so you kind of have to hot wire it right now. Let me see if I can do this real quick. There we go. So just pop this open so you guys can see the inside of it. This works better with two hands. There we go. So I just cut an old computer case to size. Still needs some modification, but the computer's in there. Wires connected out the back, and some fans on the side and the back. So yeah, that's my briefcase computer. Trying to make a portable gaming system that I can just plug into the wall. Laptop would probably be better, but this was more fun to make.